WOLFBOX G900 Tripro bumper version. The missing true rear coverage no other dashcam delivers. You already know the moment. You pull up the footage after someone cuts you off or brushes your bumper in a parking lot, and you lean in, squinting, heart sinking because the rear view is blocked by tint, headrests, dirt, or just darkness. It's so familiar it barely registers anymore. Yet the hidden cost is brutal. Every single drive carries this quiet doubt that when proof is needed most, you'll have nothing usable. No clear plate, no time-stamped truth, just frustration and vulnerability you can't quite name. Have you ever felt that subtle unease settle in your chest the second you get behind the wheel and wondered why it has to be this way? That doubt doesn't stay quiet. It compounds. Every night drive tightens your grip on the wheel just a fraction more. Every insurance call that drags on because footage wasn't clear costs you hours, sometimes thousands. Every time you park in a crowded lot, a small knot forms in your stomach, knowing a tap could happen and you'd have nothing decisive to show. The energy it steals is constant but invisible. Shorter patience with family, second-guessing routes, the low hum of anxiety that you're one incident away from being the one who's wrong even when you're right. You feel it in your body before you admit it in words. And the deepest cut? Most people never connect their chronic road stress to the simple fact that their dash cam has been lying to them about real protection all along. This is where WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper Version 3 3-channel 4K mirror dashcam, 8-megapixel STARVIS 2 IMX678 night vision, 4000K plus 2.5000K plus 1080p front and rear bumper dashcam, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, includes 256 GB card and GPS, enters, and everything changes. It works by moving the rear camera outside the vehicle to the bumper itself, completely eliminating interior obstructions, while the front camera uses Sony's latest STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor that sees clearly in light so low most cameras give up entirely. The quiet superpowers it hands you? True, unobstructed rear footage in any weather or loading condition. Night vision that turns pitch-black highways into readable detail. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi that downloads files before you've finished coffee. Voice control that never requires you to look away. And everything, 256 GB card, GPS, full hardwire ready, already in the box. One rideshare driver went from losing a $4,800 claim because his old rear window cam was blocked by a passenger's head to settling the exact same type of incident in 48 hours with crystal clear bumper footage. Wait, this kind of reliable rear coverage from a mirror dashcam is completely allowed, and it's been here the whole time. Immediately, you notice the footage is sharp on all 3 channels from the first drive. Within a week, you're locking clips with your voice while keeping both hands on the wheel and downloading 4000K files in seconds over 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Long-term, you simply stop thinking about what if. The protection is finally complete. Independent low-light tests show the IMX678 sensor delivers up to 4 times better detail than the previous generation STARVIS sensors still used in most premium cams. Verified users repeatedly report reading plates at night where their VIAFO, ThinkWare, or BlackView footage was useless, and winning claims with bumper footage when interior rear cams failed completely. Industry reviewers now call the bumper-mounted rear camera the solution the market has desperately needed but refused to build. While every other mirror dash cam still gambles on an interior rear view that can be blocked, tinted, or fogged, the G900 Tripro simply doesn't play that game. I noticed this after 3 weeks. I stopped scanning my mirrors for threats and started actually enjoying the drive again. The deepest felt benefit is the complete disappearance of that low-level road anxiety you didn't even realize you were carrying, replaced by the quiet certainty that every angle, every moment, every night is covered without compromise. Today is the day that certainty becomes yours, with everything included and ready to install. Link in the description, first one pinned to the top. I wish someone had put this in front of me years ago. Now it's in front of you. Go claim the protection you should have had all along. You've earned it.